I close my eyes eternally, may your vision be my company, even though I fall from worthy, but I'm blessed to be your ummati. With submission, faith and patience, you convey